if you're looking for an academic degree of a high caliber, but at the same time suited to one's lifestyle and personality, that Birmingham can supply you with that type of program.
IDD's distance learning program has a diverse and experienced group of students with all different nationalities, and most of them are working in development-related jobs.
The distance learning program at IDD is a fantastic opportunity to try and get in touch with as many people as possible based in different countries all over the world who are studying because they have a love of development.
I chose to study on distance learning simply because it fitted with my schedule.
I work full-time, I have commitments outside of work, and really studying in and around work is ideal.
It allowed me to continue working, gaining more experience, and at the same time allowing me to pay for my tuition fees.
I chose Birmingham because it had a great reputation. I'd met many of the people in the field who had studied here and who recommended that Birmingham was good, and I think that it lived up to its promise for me.
For IDD, the key word with their distance learning programs is flexibility. They recognise fully that the students are usually working full-time in very busy, demanding jobs, often with a lot of overseas travel.
I do feel there's excellent support from the admin team. Whenever you need it, it's always available.
The support you get is quite individual, which was quite a surprise for a distance learning programme. You very much feel part of a wider community rather than just you're alone in the experience.
Academically, there was always somebody around that could help me. I enjoyed the interactions with the tutors.
The academic staff are always on hand in terms of participating in discussion boards, sharing their experience, sharing their ideas, which is invaluable to the course.
All the distance learning students have the same access to campus services as the on-campus students do. They're fully registered students of the University of Birmingham.
Those students get access to us as lecturers and teachers. We're always online, but also they get access to each other, and so those group discussions are always very, very fruitful. And we try and enhance the experience of distance learning students because we're very conscious of the fact that they're not here on campus.
Yes, throughout the programme there's continuous sharing of experience between tutors and students, and in fact students often say that they learn as much from each other as they do from the course materials.
My best points on the program were the interaction on the discussion board with other students, as well as the feedback from the tutors.
The one-to-one supervision I had throughout my dissertation was probably one of the strongest elements of the course. In that we had regular contact, my supervisor was always accessible, always very supportive, and definitely assisted throughout the dissertation process, which was a real benefit. What I've gained from doing the course most of all is confidence. Confidence in myself, confidence in my academic abilities.
As somebody who was born in a developing country, I never questioned inequalities that exist there until I joined the program.
It certainly did broaden my horizons in terms of applying various different techniques which I otherwise would not have done.
I was working with the government of Ethiopia, went into an office, was asked a question that I immediately saw the answer coming straight out of the course and organisation that I had just taken, and could apply it almost instantly, which to me is the secret of great education.
The advice I give to anybody considering studying distance learning is just to do it. It is rewarding, you certainly get a great sense of achievement, and it's definitely worth doing at the University of Birmingham.